This is a video tutorial on how to complete the rounding numbers PowerPoint for our assignment today. So the first one says, place an X next to the numbers that round to 8,760 when rounded to the nearest 10. So my first step is to go ahead and underline the tens place in all of my numbers. After that, I'm going to circle the one to the right of it. So I'm circling all the numbers in the ones place. This will tell me if I need to climb the vine or if the number to the that is underlined stays on the floor. Just as a refresher, our song is 0 to 4 stays on the floor, 5 to 9 climbs the vine. So I'm going to look at the first one, which is 8,755. I'm going to look at the number that I circled. I'm going to ask myself, is it 0 to 4 or 5 to 9? It's 5 to 9. So that means the digit that I underlined climbs the vine. So that means I'm going to have a 6 in the tens place instead. So this number will become 8,760. Remember, any numbers I circle and to the right of it becomes a 0. The next one, I underlined my 6 in the tens place. I circled my 5. I'm asking myself if the circled digit is 0 to 4 or 5 to 9. It is 5 to 9, so that means my 6 is going to climb the vine and become a 7. The digits to the left I keep, so that would be 8,770 because the digits I circled and to the right will all become zeros. The next one says 8,754. I underlined the 5 in the tens place, and then I'm going to check to see if this is 0 to 4 or 5 to 9. This is 0 to 4, so that means my 5 stays the same or stays in the 4. So my 5 did not change, my digits to the left did not change, and the one I circled or the ones to the right become a 0. So this answer would be 8,750. The last one is 8,763. I underlined the 6 in my tens place. I circled the 3 in the ones place to determine if this needs to stay the same or climb the vine. Since this is 0 to 4, my 6 is going to stay the same. The digits to the left will also stay the same. And the digits I circle and the ones to the right become a 0. So this answer would be 8,760. Unfortunately, because I'm using this tool, I cannot drag and drop my X's, so I'm just going to go ahead and draw in the X's for the ones that I got the answer of 8,760. So that would be the first one and the last one. You will be doing the next one two yourself. The next one says, sort the numbers into 2 categories. The first category is rounds to 26,000 when rounded to the nearest 1,000, and the next category says rounds to 25,000 when rounded to the nearest 100. I'm going to show you the first one as an example. So 26,372. I need to round it to the nearest 1,000. So I'm going to underline the thousands place. I'm going to circle the place value to the right, so in this case it's the hundreds place. And I'm going to say to myself, is 3 0 to 4 or 5 to 9? It is 0 to 4. So that means my 6 stays the same or stays in the 4. So 6 will be in the thousands place. All the digits to the left I keep, so I'm going to keep my 2. But all of the digits that from the one I circled and the ones to the right are going to become zeros. So this would go in this category, which would be 26,000.